Eddie. Where is Eddie? Welcome on, guy. Welcome on, cafe.
Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome His Excellency, former President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, Dr. Goodluck Ibeh, Jonathan, is actually the location for the commissioning of the 5 NVA and 3KV Substation electric transformer that has been procured by the Chancellor, Professor Ibeh, for the purpose of giving light to the Uturu community. So we'd like to welcome His Excellency formally to this very location. His Excellency also came with a very powerful delegation all the way from Bayelsa State. You're welcome once again. In time, we'll give full recognition to members of the team. But once again, let me request the Chancellor, Professor Ibeh, to create a background for this very project. Chancellor, sir.
Your Excellency, this is my hometown, Uturu. This university is Ibeh State University by your right. By the grace of God, I was the accountant to the Israeli company that I built this university. So I did it in 18 months. Because the Ikemachku says 16 months. So I did day and night. And from here I built Imo Airport. And from Imo Airport I did the Federal Secretariat Gariki and the former Foreign Affairs. This is our project after my name. So since then, there have not been any electricity in my hometown. And if you want to come with investment, you come with your infrastructure in this part of our country. So when I did the university, I ran on 14 generators for 8 years. And then at a point I said, what do I do? The only light we had to come here, the candle light comes from Ibeh. And before I can feed the water to here, Ibeh is done, there's no light. So now, you remember what you did in NIPP, the electricity from Aloji and all that. So from Umuahia, we succeeded in getting the 33 line. And I had to do this substation here, converting 33 to 11, so that the whole of Uturu can now have electricity. So I'm happy that you are here to see another private effort. If you were government, I would have cried to you. I didn't know you would have done it, but this is what it is. Another self-help effort, just to make sure that I run the university on electricity. So we are here to see it. Is AD here? Is AD here? The engineer. Please. I just, Vice Chancellor, where is the EEDC people? Managing Director, okay, almost to be here today. Also, the problem they have on EEDC is that ARM have invested this money and they are collecting all these buildings here, they're collecting revenue, but they're also still charging me. I'm paying every month. So somehow I'm asking, okay, why should I invest hundreds of millions and then you are still charging me? So I'm going to court to make sure that they give me some at least moratorium period to recover the investment, because the whole revenue here, they will be picking it and not Ibeh. So that's one of the pains. I hope he might be on his way, because he knows that I'll report them to you and you have to talk to them. So anyway, we're supposed to put the light on somehow. Symbolic. So Your Excellency, this is this 5 MVA substation. It took us time to have it here because as soon as we ordered it, they closed the seaport and it was in Cotonou for about 6 months. So we had to come through again through transloaded the ship to Lagos, and before we got it cleared and it came here. Thank you very much, sir.
Excellency, therefore, we'd just like to invite you to do the symbolic commissioning of this very project. You've heard the background, so I'd like to request you, sir, to graciously do this.
This mic.
Where's the mic? Can you open? Try to do this. Let me see. Pull here down. This one?
Sorry.
They are not here.
Maybe it's your.
Don't worry, Prof. Prof.
Sir.
Thank you so much. I'll not go through protocol until we get to the university.
Yes, sir.
But I must commend your effort. The key thing about life, especially the life in the campus, is light.
Yes, sir.
And to manage the university with generators alone will be extremely expensive. Students will want 24 hours of light. Of course, they have to read. So for you to have built this substation, you said, and you brought even the 33
KV line.
12 down to 11 for the people to benefit. Ordinarily, they should work with you and remove that from your bill, even if it is not 100% monthly until you recover your investment. This is key. But well, we'll see what we could do. We are no longer in power. We can appeal to the conscience of people. So for today, you've done well. You brought power, not just to the university, but also to the community, and that is the impact of development. When a major development is taking place, impacts the communities around. So I have to thank you for your vision.
Thank you.
So for today, this 5 MVA 3KV substation, electric transformer procured by Professor Ibeh for distribution of power to Uturu and environment, was commissioned by His Excellency Dr. Goodluck Ibeh Jonathan on Wednesday, 3rd March 2021, to the glory of God.
Applause, please. Applause.
The Chancellor, the Vice Chancellor, other principal officers of the university, and our guests, my delegation, and the students are here with us. On behalf of the university and on behalf of Prof. Ibeh, I hereby formally commission this substation to the glory of God.
Ogwo.
Who leave this banner now?